What happens if my car was lost in the accident and I relied on it for my work? If your car was totaled or could not be used after the crash, your claim may involve more than just the value of the vehicle. There may be a property damage claim for the car itself, and there may also be an injury claim that includes medical bills, lost earnings, and other losses caused by the collision. If the vehicle was your work vehicle, the insurance company will usually want proof. It may not be enough to say, "I could not work." You should be ready to show what you earned before the crash, what changed after the crash, why you could not drive, and how long the loss lasted. Possible damages may include the pre-crash value of the vehicle, reasonable loss of use, towing and storage, rental costs, replacement transportation, and lost income. For a rideshare driver or other gig worker, lost app revenue is not always the same as recoverable lost income. The insurer may look at earnings records, tax documents, bank deposits, and normal business expenses like fuel, maintenance, insurance, or platform costs. Medical proof also matters. If your injuries or work restrictions kept you from driving, emergency room records, imaging reports, treatment notes, and written restrictions can help connect the missed work to the crash. Be careful with settlement papers. In North Carolina, settling the vehicle damage claim does not automatically settle your injury claim unless the written agreement says it does. But a release, check endorsement, or electronic settlement document can affect your rights, so read it closely before signing. Fault also matters. You generally need evidence showing the other driver caused the crash and that the crash caused your losses. And deadlines still apply even if the insurance claim is open. Many injury and property damage claims have a 3-year filing period, but the exact deadline depends on the facts. So the short answer is this: if you lost the car you relied on for work, document everything: the vehicle loss, your earnings, your medical restrictions, your expenses, and your timeline. Then make sure any settlement only resolves the claims you intend to settle.